ride of the day. We rope dropped extra magic hours, and we're in Magic Kingdom, and we're riding Peter Pan's flight because it has a 10-minute wait. All right, let's go. All right, Peter Pan is done. We're now going to It's a Small World. Again, 10-minute wait, it says, but it's more like 5, maybe less, because they are sending empty boats. And if anyone's ever been to Disney, they know that it's a small world, and Peter Pan are always really high. Peter Pan is up to 40 minutes now, and we waited probably like 7 or 8, maybe. And now we're going pretty much straight on to It's a Small World. There's nobody. That's our boat. I'll see you on the ride.
My dress is glowing.
Are you having so much fun?
Yeah. I never noticed that.
Gathered together to say,
I promise I enjoyed this ride, so I'm not quite sure why I'm making these faces.
Is that your favorite ride?
Yeah.
So glad. He ripped my nail off. I'm gonna leave my ears on for this one.
I just realized how many times I mentioned my ears. Let's start keeping count.
I'm gonna leave my ears on for this one. We're leaving the ears on for this one. Well, this is new. Oh, goodness.
So towards the end of the day, my sisters started complaining that she didn't feel good. Since she's pretty young and it was the last day, we just figured she was tired. So we rode a couple more rides before finally taking her to the Disney First Aid. They told us she was sick, but they didn't know what it was, so we decided to cut our trip short. So here's a rewind of some of our favorite moments and ear counts from the week.
Your name? Grayson, we from Texas in the house.
Woo-woo!
Right. And how old? 16?
Hold my ears because I don't want to lose them. on, so I can't put my hood. I don't want to get new ears. Are you taking my ears off? My ears!
Huh?
Should I take my ears off? No, cross your fingers for my ears. Took my ears off. My ears.
Happy birthday, Grayson!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on behalf of everyone here at the Magic Kingdom, we thank you for joining us today for a magical gathering of family, friends, fun, and fantasy. We hope that your magical journey with us has created wonderful memories that will last a lifetime. Walt Disney said that the Magic Kingdom is a world of imagination, hopes, and dreams. In this timeless land of enchantment, magic and make-believe are reborn, and fairy tales come true. The Magic Kingdom is a place for the young and the young at heart. A special place where when you wish upon a star, until we see you again, have a safe trip home. Thank you and good night.